Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut compressing issues in 2025. First of all, make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version. Next, check your export settings. When exporting a video, tap on Export Settings and make sure the resolution is set to 1080p or higher and the frame rate matches your original footage. Avoid reducing resolution or frame rate too much as this can cause unwanted compression. Another useful tip is to free up storage space on your phone. Low storage can cause CapCut to compress videos more than usual. Go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage and clear unused files or apps if needed. If the problem persists, try offloading the CapCut app on iPhone to clear out temporary cache. On same iPhone storage settings screen, tap on CapCut and finally tap on Offload app. After that, reinstall it. Then, reopen the app and try exporting again. Finally, make sure your source files are high quality. Videos recorded in low resolution or heavily compressed before editing will naturally compress more when exporting. And that's all. Following these steps should help you fix CapCut compressing issues and keep your videos looking crisp and clear.